What's up, guys? Blog number 11. I think it's blog number 11. I got my boy Kiki right here. I got my boy Eric. We came back to the fireworks.
Look at my boy right here. Well, sir, go where we
back, but good time.
We came to buy more fireworks. I don't know if we're gonna go to a Dallas takeover, but if we do, y'all gonna see us right there. We're gonna be doing all that fireworks stuff, you know? Alright, we'll see you later. Am I bright? Alright, what's up, guys? Right now, we're looking for my boy Giovanni.
Yeah, on Target.
But we can't find him.
Yeah. Where are you?
Oh, my chicken! Oh. Alright, let's look for him. Look, I bet you gonna be right there. Look at your dumb ass. Come on, let's look for him. Look, I'll be that little boy from toy reviews. If y'all want me to do a toy review, y'all tell me which one. I'll do a toy review and I'll do it good. I'll do it better than that little boy. I'll tell y'all everything about it. I'll tell you the truth, not the lie. I'll be honest with y'all. The camera's heavy, but you know, I gotta deal with it because I decided to buy a big ass DSLR. Canon 80D.
You won't? You make this shit so damn obvious. This is what makes this shit so damn obvious. Put that shit back.
No.
How you doing?
Great.
Do you know why that one guy was looking at me over there?
Do what now?
He was an employee. He was over here looking at me.
My chicken.
Oh no, do you know where they sell like this with like the
Who was Phil? You saw that?
Bitch, for you. Well, this is blackout.
Oh, damn, my
fabric
camera's over here
What
falling
kind of
and
fabric are
everything.
you looking for?
It's the same one, but it's black.
Maybe you think
Camera.
I don't know.
Alright.
Oh my God! Oh, here getting like no.
Turn off. Turn off. Turn off. Yeah. Turn on.
Make it work.
Turn on. Turn on. Wake your ass up. Wake up. Wake up.
Do the power thing with your hand. Do it again. Do it again. What? How you do that?
Magic. Bada bam, bada boom. And it's on. Happy 4th of July.
I got my boy
You wanna
Giovanni
shoot
right
the
here.
gun
My boy
right now?
Thomas right here. Look at him. He cooking that whole good as fuck.
Come see what these girls doing.
He's gone.
Oh, hey!
What, bitch?
Interview him. Interview him. Hit the wall. Hit the wall. Hit it. Hit it.
Giovanni, go check if your rose breaker's ready.
No, I'm already eating it.
What the fuck?
That one look like it was gonna fall.
Playing, boy. Playing.
Get that nigga! shit!
Alright then.
Man, you hit the nail. Alright guys, so, oh shit. What's up guys? We came to the bridge.
Get scared, pussy. Wanna throw fireworks at people?
Happy 4th of July.
Oh, 4th of July, man.
Say it one more time, you
Fat
money.
ass booty.
Look, we came to the bridge over here downtown. Came to admire the view. Let me admire the view, you money. Come on, guys, what are you doing? You're stupid. Let's hear it.
Where? That pole there.
Real fast boy. Tell him what's up. Tell him what's here. You want to tell him what's up?
You gonna try to taste?
Nah, tell him what's up. Don't tell him. Yeah, that's what's up.
I already said it.
Yeah. Look, we got my FCEs right here. Look at them, how cute and shoes. Where you at? Where you at? Ooh, where you at, DTX Paloma? Tell him. Alright, I thought my mic was saying, no one's saying it now. Yeah, guys, so I got my boy on here, and that bitch is looking over here, right, one is. Look at us, we over here relaxing in this chair. Look, we over here just relaxing, you know?
Cut that shit.
Damn. We're relaxing right here. Look at us. I'm tired already. We can't take this
I'm
walk.
tired.
I'm tired.
Alright, I'll keep on walking.
You keep walking?
Yeah.
Motivation right here, DJ
Motivation
Khaled.
shit.
Say
Another
it,
one.
say it.
Again.
Another
No,
one.
it's like another one.
Another one. Another
Say it,
one.
say it, say it, say it.
Another one. And another one.
Look at these girls over here. Look at them. What the fuck FaceTime? Look.
Who's this?
What is it? Let me see. Let's see who's calling him. Answer. Oh, you answering?
Hello?
My bad.
Who's this?
My bad, bitch.
Oh shit. Hey, what's up, bro? What you doing?
Nothing, bitch. Yeah, that's I said my bad, bitch. I ain't mean to call you.
I know, but happy 4th of July.
You too, bitch.
Alright, bet.
Yeah, that's love. That's fans right here, money?
Yeah.
Goofy ass. I don't know, random people over here calling my boy Yawani already. Since my boy be giving out his number like everything like crazy and shit.
Ah, fucking asshole.
Dang, why my camera keeps on focusing? Probably because of the...
Oh shit!
Hey,
Nina Kush, Kristen King.
Y'all follow me
You
on
don't need this no more.
Alex B Pimpin 24/7. I'm on
Follow
that.
me on Instagram on mgarza24.
Nah, y'all heard it from me.
Shit, Snapchat
Hey,
Nina
Kush.
G214.
Keep it from California.
94. The fuck you mean? Nina Garza on Facebook too. Shit, what's my Instagram?
Fucking Dallas, man.
It's either K Kush
Hey,
or
it's
Kristen
Dallas
King.
_214 or Dallas girl _ 214, some shit like that.
What about y'all? Y'all ain't trying to be here?
From the 805. Hey, we come from the 805.
They from
too.
Cali, we from
California,
Dallas,
so
shit.
we got you.
Alright.